The clinic was founded in Camden in the 90s. In the decade after I started in 2002, the clinical programs grew fivefold.
You really are given the opportunity to work one-on-one with somebody from the Camden area who really needs help and is facing a problem or issue in their life that they don't have usually the resources to really solve on their own.
You get partnered with another student, so it really helps with the nerves that you initially get of feeling like, oh wow, these are real clients, this is much higher stakes.
What I think clinic offers that the other experiences can't offer in the same way is the extent of experience and responsibility on particular case types, because it really is the student's case first and foremost.
It was a very safe foray into the courtroom, right? Like, we are doing real work for real clients, but, the law school and Dean Chase were kind of like a safety net for us.
You would have a meeting with your professor, they are our supervisor essentially, like in the law firm, to go over your caseloads and see like where you're stuck and how they can help you, and they kind of help guide you through the process to see how you can progress the client's case. And if there are roadblocks, they work with you and guide you through how to resolve it.
At the end of the day, having that client get the good news that, hey, your expungement was signed, and how happy they are to finally get that second chance, there's nothing that compares to that.
It gave me a taste of what real life is going to be like, and I think that's very valuable, and it's not something I got from anything else in law school.
You get a partner, someone that you can work with and learn from. You get unimaginable guidance from your supervisor, which is your professor, and you get to change somebody's life.
It illuminated to me that there's so much work that needs to be done still, but that we can all make a difference. Like, we really can. In some way or another, we can.